Jamaica. The land of reggae, dancehall, the fastest humans, and good vibes. But there's a side to this island most tourists never see. A place where time seems to move a little slower, where the green mountains plunge into the turquoise Caribbean. This is Portland, off the beaten path, untouched, the real Jamaica. Forget your all-inclusive resorts and crowded beaches. Portland isn't about that. It's about raw, natural beauty, waterfalls cascading down lush hillsides, fishing villages where life goes on as it has for centuries. This is a place to lose yourself. Portland is a sensory experience. Located on the northeastern coast of the island of Jamaica, Portland is often described as one of the island's most scenic regions, known for its lush, tropical landscapes, clear blue waters, and a slower, more relaxed pace of life compared to the busier tourist hubs. Port Antonio, its chief town and laid-back capital, with faded colonial-era mansions lining the Titchfield Peninsula. Sandy beaches fringe the forested coast between the city and the deep waters of the Blue Lagoon farther east. Inland, bamboo rafts ply the Rio Grande River. This parish has the highest rainfall in the island and has two harbors, the western one being sheltered by a small islet, Navy Island. Portland covers an area of 814 square kilometers, making it Jamaica's seventh largest parish. Portland has a variety of complex landforms. The stunning coastline is dotted with caves, bays, rivers, waterfalls, and rugged mountains, a place where the natural world takes center stage. There are also 17 rivers which form a network throughout the parish. The largest are the Rio Grande, Buff Bay, and Hector's rivers. Rio Grande, the birthplace of river rafting, it flows from high up in the Blue Mountains to the coast of Portland. The Rio Grande River is a hidden gem that offers an unforgettable experience for budget-friendly family fun. From rafting to hiking, there's something for everyone. Plus, the natural beauty of the river and its surroundings make it a memorable experience that will be priceless. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, famous for its vivid blue waters, which change shades throughout the day due to the mix of fresh water from underground springs and saltwater from the Caribbean Sea. The lagoon is said to be over 200 feet deep and changes from turquoise to deep blue, depending on the sunlight and water depth on any given day. The combination of cool spring water and warm seawater creates a unique swimming experience. Once known as the Blue Hole, the breathtaking natural attraction was renamed after the 1980 movie Blue Lagoon, starring Brooke Shields. Many celebrities have frequently visited over the years. A magical place, a testament to Portland's raw beauty, just dive in its refreshing waters. For the most stunning views, visit early morning or late afternoon. Take a bamboo raft tour or a boat ride from the lagoon to Monkey Island, a secluded and scenic coastal spot known for its rugged beauty and crystal-clear waters. Perfect for those seeking privacy and natural beauty. Reach Falls and Somerset Falls provides a quiet, natural retreat where you can experience Jamaica's tropical environment without the crowd found at some of the island's more famous spots. They are perfect destination for nature lovers, hikers, and anyone looking to explore a less traveled part of Jamaica. Take a boat ride through a cave to get up close to the falls, an experience you wouldn't want to miss. The area is surrounded by beautiful flora and fauna, making it a great spot for nature lovers. The parish boasts several beautiful white sand beaches with turquoise waters and tropical surroundings. This includes the famous Frenchman's Cove, Sand Beach, Boston Beach, Long Bay Beach, and Winnifred Beach. Visit Nanny Falls, named after Nanny of the Maroons, a sacred site for the Maroon community, and learn about Jamaica's only female among the national heroes, Nanny. Enjoy stunning ocean views from the Folly Lighthouse, and while you're there, take a peek at the Folly Ruins, the remains of an old mansion built in the early 1900s by an American millionaire. Wander through the markets, connect with the local people, sample exotic fruits, search for fresh produce, spices, and handicrafts, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this authentic town. One of the most influential figures in Portland's tourism history was Errol Flynn, the famous Hollywood actor. He fell in love with its beauty. Flynn helped to popularize the area among Hollywood elites and other high-profile visitors. The popular James Bond films, which he wrote, including Dr. No, Live and Let Die, were shot on several locations in Portland and also other parts of Jamaica. The most recent Bond film, No Time to Die, starring Daniel Craig, brought Bond back to Jamaica, where several scenes were shot in Portland. Portland became a favorite vacation spot for wealthy foreigners, including celebrities and even royalties. The lush landscape, waterfalls, and beautiful beaches attracted many visitors. Places like Gijam Hotel, Trident Hotel, the Golden Eye Estate, among many villas such as Sand Sky, Sun Cove, Crystal Cove, and Caribbean Dawn, offer visitors affordable and exceptional stays while in Portland. Destinations that celebrates natural beauty, modern convenience, and authentic Jamaican cuisine. You'll want to come back again and again. What truly sets Portland apart is its people. They are warm, welcoming, and full of life. They embody the soul of Jamaica. They're quick to share a smile, a story, or a plate of jerk chicken. Their hospitality as genuine as the smiles on their faces. Boston jerk is the birthplace of jerk cuisine, one of Jamaica's most famous food traditions. Located in Boston Bay, Portland, this area is home to the Boston Jerk Center, a collection of jerk stalls and vendors serving up some of the most authentic jerk chicken, pork, fish, and even lobster. The Boston Jerk Festival brings Boston Beach alive, a pungent aroma of wood smoke, allspice, and Scotch bonnet peppers. It's more than just food, it's a celebration of Jamaican culture. This is the annual celebration of Jamaica's authentic jerk culture in Boston, Portland. It is one of the most anticipated events on the local calendar for people of all ages from the communities in Portland, the wider Jamaica, and visitors. The Boston Jerk Festival, held annually in July, is the event that persons look forward to each year to satisfy their taste buds with original jerk foods and sauces. After you had all that jerk to eat, make a stop by the street vendors selling locally grown jelly coconut, fruits, vegetables, and natural herbs from their stalls. These are no ordinary stalls. These roadside encounters are a chance to meet, greet, and connect with local culture and the authentic people of Portland. We've journeyed through Jamaica's best-kept secret, drifted down the Rio Grande, dived into the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, had some delicious Boston jerk, hiked through the rainforest, experienced the beauty of the Reach Falls, Somerset Falls, Nanny Falls, and relaxed on the beautiful white sand beaches. So what are you waiting for? Trade your shoes for flip-flops, your laptop for a good book, and your to-do list for adventure. Long after you've returned home, you'll find yourself closing your eyes, taking a deep breath, and remembering the rhythm of the waves. A journey that changed your mind, that opened your eyes, that reminded you what it means to truly live. Portland remains one of the most picturesque and peaceful parts of Jamaica. It continues to attract nature lovers and adventure seekers with attractions, and has maintained its charm with its lush greenery, friendly locales, and rich history. So tell me, adventure seekers, wouldn't you like to visit Portland? Let me know in the comments. And which of the attractions would you like to visit? Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.